दरिया बाल में पीहू प्यारी राह।
India Stone Mart is the largest international exposition on stone industry, which showcases the world of natural dimensional stones, ancillary products and services comprehensively. The event brings together various stakeholders of the stone industry in domestic and overseas market, exporters, importers, consumers and buyers, experts, technology providers, architects, builders, developers, corporates, etc. under one platform. India Stone Mart, the largest international exposition on stone industry, which showcases the world of natural dimensional stones, ancillary products and services. International Stone Industry Exhibition was successfully organized by Centre for Development of Stones, CDOS, in association with Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, with the support of Rajasthan State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation, RICO, and Government of Rajasthan from January 31st to February 3rd, 2019 at Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Centre, Sitapura, Jaipur. It was inaugurated by Shri Ashok Gehlot, Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan.
ये प्रदर्शनी तो अपना आप एक दूसरा नहीं हुआ लगती है, तो आप लोगों को आपस में अपने आइडिया एक्शन करने का अवसर मिलता है। मैं समझता हूँ कि इस पत्थर उद्योग के पनपने का एक कारण ये भी है कि आप लोगों ने इस सीडोर्स के माध्यम से, फिक्की के माध्यम से, रिको के माध्यम से इसको मेंटेन किया। मैंने आपको शुरू में कहा
स्टोन को किस तरह देश में विदेश में इसका किस तरह व्यापार बढ़ाया जाए, स्टोन स्मार्ट का उद्देश्य है।
Net exhibit area 19,204 square meters. Total exhibitors 484. Overseas exhibitors 134. Country pavilions 3 pavilions from Turkey, Italy, China.
It's been wonderful being here. It's been great. The organization has been excellent, and I recommend anyone who has any business with the stone in India to come to Stone Mart.
Our first time in this fair. Also, we think we meet a lot of the custom and have more opportunity in this business.
This is a really new and good experience for our company in Indian market.
Exhibiting overseas countries 7 countries: Brazil, China, Iran, Italy, Spain, Turkey and Taiwan. Number of Indian states and UTs 16 states: Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal.
It's a very good platform for suppliers and buyers to meet and demonstrate their product.
See, stone is one of the most basic materials, and getting all the information, all the knowledge about this primary material of building construction at one place is very rare.
Stone Mart is a fabulous platform. We get many customers from different parts of the world on a same platform.
Official state pavilions 3 pavilions from Gujarat, Jharkhand and Odisha. Trade visitors over 35,000. Overseas visitors around 1,800 from 52 countries. Architects, builders, real estate developers, civil engineers, etc. more than 1,200. Total business inquiries generated approximately more than 1,850 crore rupees. Shilpagram. India has an ancient tradition of stone sculpture, remnants of which are dotted all over the country. Estimated at about 5,000 crore rupees, Rajasthan accounts for 40% of the stone handicrafts in India, which employs about 1 lakh artisans. The rich tradition of the artisans has been carried forward through generations to the present day, as has been the tradition, to promote the craft of these artisans. The artisan village Shilpagram was again established in the fair, which aimed towards providing a platform for artisans to showcase their talent and interact with domestic and international buyers. The third edition of Jaipur Architecture Festival, JAF, on the theme of Stone as Vocabulary in Architecture, was organized by CDOS and FICCI in association with Council of Architecture and Indian Institute of Architects as the knowledge partners, and FOI was the strategic partner of the festival. Various sessions were held on topics like material versatility in architecture and inspirations from heritage architecture. There were various interactive and informative panel discussions on different themes like language in architecture. All India Stone Architectural Awards to honor excellence and innovations in usage of Indians' dimensional stones in buildings and landscapes. All India Stone Architectural Awards were instituted by the Centre for Development of Stones, CDOS. The winners of the 9th edition were felicitated during the inaugural ceremony by Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Shri Ashok Gehlot. An illustrious panel of prominent architects of the country chose some exceptionally talented architects this year for a citation and cash prize of 1 lakh in 4 categories. Buyer-Seller Meet. A very successful buyer-seller meet was organized during this 4-day event. Around 1,256 meetings were held to provide a platform for registered buyers and exhibitors to interact and finalize business dealings and establish linkage for expanding that business horizon. Valedictory Ceremony. The valedictory ceremony was held on 3rd February where Shri Prasadi Lal Meena, Honorable Industries Minister Rajasthan, was the chief guest. The Best Display Awards in different categories for Best Overall Display were given to the winners. India Stone Mart provides an ideal platform to the exhibitors to promote their products, services and brand image amongst the consumers from across the globe and establish business linkages and networking with them for enhancing their business horizon and prospects. It's time to look forward to yet another business opportunity in the 11th edition on the World of Stones, the Stone Mart 2021, from 4th to 7th February at Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Centre, Sitapura, Jaipur. Let us lay the foundation stone to ensure a rock-solid growth of our business worldwide.